Have you ever wanted to create a speech that is so powerful that you move your audience? Hi everyone, my name is Coach Mahathir, a public speaking specialist, and welcome to the Better Writing Project episode 1. In this series, we plan to help you to be able to craft better speeches and more memorable speeches so that you are able to move your audience. So in today's episode 1, we'll be covering on two fundamentals. Number 1, the objective, and number 2, the message. So let's get straight into it. When it comes to the objective, we need to answer two very important questions. The question on topic and the question on your objective. So what is the question on topic? You see, when it comes to topic, we need to know what is our topic about. So the question that you have to answer is, my topic is about blank. So what is it about? It is about bullying? Is it about plastic wastage? Is it about saving the animals? Is it about being grateful? What is the topic about? Once we answer this topic, we can jump into the second question, which is the question on objective. And I love the question on objective because it helps me to focus and really have that laser zoom onto what my speech is about and what is irrelevant to my speech. So the question that you want to answer or to fill up the blanks is, by the end of my speech, I want my audience to ... So that dot could be, I want them to start waking up in the morning and going for a jog, or I want them to pick up any plastic trash they see on the streets and throw it away. So be specific in this objective point, because the more specific it is, the easier the audience will be able to absorb, take it, and run with it. Now when it comes to the message of the speech, there are three things to really take note of. Number 1, is your message memorable? Number 2, is your message actionable? And number 3, is your message universal? So for number 1, is your message memorable? So think about it this way. When an audience member sits in the hall watching you speak, they want to be able to remember your message better. So how you could do this is by creating a catchy catchphrase in your speech which ties nicely to your message. And of course, your message should be less than 10 words. That's right, 10 words. Any more than that, the audience may not know what to do. The second thing, actionable. Now you want to ask yourself, is your message actionable, or does it tell the audience what to do after listening to my message? Here's a very clear example. You could have a simple message of, be grateful. Sure, that's kind of actionable, right? But a better actionable statement or a better actionable message would be, say thank you to anyone and everyone that you see. So when it becomes so actionable, so clear there, it is so easy for the audience to take action. The third, universal. You see, we can have many messages and many learning points in our lives. Some of the learning points can be very localized, right? So we want to make sure that our message, our story as well, to be very universal. That many people across different countries are able to understand and grasp that message. So that is really crucial to create that relatability factor. So that wraps up episode 1 on the Better Writing Project. Remember on your objective and remember on the message. These are very powerful fundamentals that will help keep you laser focused when it comes to crafting a powerful and memorable speech. My name is Coach Mahathir, and stay tuned to episode 2 where we will cover the 5 C's in telling a story. See you soon.